my Asante Akasa Asante.
Yeah, can you do?
Naka, a percent can be say there should be something established about IT or Mensha. We are all willing to come and support. Okay. And I'm here be wherever we are, or fair the power, a viewer.
Abusia ma mencha na memu akwa ba mfa mbra Nyansapo TV so ye kase Nyansapo a wo se sane no badwen ba kwan so ene ye ba besa ye ho yare ye be ye ho aduro ye hina ye mu nsem a na watwi mu trend e wa be fotinta fidikesie so nya na watwi mu nko a ye bosomi July mu ye hu videos ahodo a drop ye e wo social media so na video ne drop ye ya na adwoa miyem ehye me papa nya asem keto me busa me ho nsem se nka me na me video we eliki ye wo social media so a anka de be na me ye kwan be nkra na me fa so ama sa video no afi social media so ana se koto ho kra na ebeda ho afebo ana enne ye bedi enkomo ye ba be sa ye ho yare se dem di kan e kan ye no ntika che wonu asa adwo atena se na ne de matena se ameni monim difo a wonim de e wo social media issues ho say yemfa social media se bio enye ade papa yemfa nya ade bone yemfa nya bibia bidie because we social media mu bayibu nsampa ene e ba be di enkomo e de afa enema microphone mu bi e di social media no eye e di tia omo ho enti kame ho na me ma na kwa ba ne enfa nkomo no enhyehye so odimonyamfo me mu akwa aba
ejimo so
na oho ye de
boko
me kai se me no wakasa wo phone so e wo fidikese ya so na Ghana fo be na ehwe ni mu titiru ni Nyansapo ye viewers fo hwe ni mu se me no betena se ne de ya tena si na ye di enkomo isan se ne no enkrofo e di social media no di enkrofo bone enya asem ketwa nti se ne de me ne wodi nhemu di a ene ma mensa mu akwa ba biem
obahema echia etifo ni ahwefo ene Nyansapo I think say ehwe fidi ya church amamre ene amane ne nyina wa bochie no nyina de bia ne ka se kinya studio bi se ya de bia church amane ene amane se de moye na nke ni wajipa because you say African traditions no you real high you bibia se bibia koyi nti ye bo the CEO of Nyansapo abasopa so aya de
okay me ba cho obewe busa se wo ye hwan udi the same wo free hefa we Ghanaian ni because me know it one me who so Ghanaian as say free UK Canada me ho skin there be free ha onya Asante ni by na me hu so what kai hu bi dia
me free mankran so do me abra e wa hafa no south here
okay
e Ghana Kumasi na ese Asante for e wa de ye na o hwe e friend say e wiase e titiri na ye kan about computer ya enipa or the fiber optic cable e buy we ase na ultimate YouTube we Facebook we TikTok we Asante ni free Kumasi here
wow
friend Dr. Thomas Mensah
okay
on the inventor of fiber optic cable we ase ene ultimate call YouTube we call TikTok bibiana on the inventor here we are to be used to be
wow enti udi the same mintimi hu abonten ka say hey bra me pacho bra da bi wo bo me kura
me din de eba Asante
e friend na me pe no
e friend ko bra fosu
okay
na amansan ni independent me if say friend Sir Louis yeah and I'm for name
hey we dey make maka Sir Louis
yeah
me pacho yes am wakwa ba biem we dey yenni nkomo minim say wakwakoye obi a me dey me kasa wo ye social media mu bayifo e ba internet no so dia udi mu akutini ye nya asem ketwa minim say from July ba ebesi August ya ewo mu ni wo hu niam bebre na wan kasa wodiem Ghana for ye e wo social media no so hu sa videos ni bia ya odwene ho sen wo fa ne sen
my Ghana nia mako school amanone na mesua computer studies me computer software engineering Boha University or China I work in province and I'm be Oba China the second best university Shandong University be masters ho na me koye PhD Europe ni nyina na computer studies ho asem na me ankasa na me computer internet security expert we are say my adwuma Huawei head office
wow
and my adwuma INSPA no Eho and abenya TikTok. Under Inspire abenya TikTok. Ubenya Alipay, channel for Alipay, Omo WeChat. They are all under Inspire.
Okay.
Na me ye juma wo Inspire head office. Nti eba TikTok so ne ye build TikTok ne ho ya ye di ho akotene a enim panyifo a omo sha se de adwen ba ya omo teme build TikTok.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. And you say you weka China kasa na umpeso be gumeni mase.
Ni hao.
Menkadi.
You can ni hao sa the same ni hao.
Ni hao na bi. Eh busu na ba yere. Enti se na me busa no, minim se wo hu video sa e ko me pese me bodin. We say cyber for wo de ho agi wo ko bodi say ya adwo me tibete. Wo sa videos na ya na o feel sen. Se ya de jan nam social media no so nya de jan ko a. E na akora bi fa fo no nya fo papa bi kuta na odi mpanyifo atem na o ye nsem fata se wo hu sa ya o feel sen.
Ya na areho ene ye asefem se Aliziani ya school na ye ka se ye build TikTok yi na ye wo head office will be aye hu de channel for de ye okay be kai tama na omo sha so mo ye piloting say TikTok be ba no mo ye piloting no boni bi ka say they should create two na man for ntiase enti omo se two na de den na omo say TikTok no ko wiase a oba Africa the way on be used no different from the way on be used in the Western world.
Okay.
Any even omu Chrome channel hono. The Western life no is quite different from omu channel from life. Enti omu nye baako a o channel ho a ono be use channel ho pepepe. Na omu nye TikTok no man international world because they know say by all means omu de omu ko fra Western world na say na o say about and no me ko so TikTok no omu ko fo no be sua. Omu create for say bia o didwa na pese ton normal online and na pese o showcase amamre ene amane wo mu kroma ene o China ha o mo develop the whole world.
Okay.
Obi anim so ko China ko fo no mo China. Obi anim say ene eba amamre ene amane a China for o mo dim ye ena o mo timi ahwe o mamamre for 5,000 years.
Wow.
Na oba yen bibi mem ha obo unse oba oro ne ho no gina social media no di atem no twerky and a whole lot. Obi cry to me start ohwe panyini a man panyini bitimi fa no di atem e ba ya mamre mu ha and first who say ohini bi ba no bi esru and no bitimi for ohini bi kasa tia no fa AI no edit videos and in there cyber bullying. But eba the way you see far bibia ya manyosem ha ene we pese otna tumi so che eni ntino obi ya de kwa na ne krum ni ananso bia oka ne nkofo no ho a ontimi nya hwe udu China TikTok enye adwuma ho but omne create China omne create TikTok
China ho no
enye adwuma ho
timu ma TikTok so kra me ye hwe
China enye adwuma TikTok unless you use VPN and Facebook enye adwuma China YouTube enye adwuma China Google enye adwuma China
now na phone ni machines ni kuta mo amode ye den
China for wo mo ankasa a whole setup eba a friends eba WhatsApp e free be WeChat almost the no version and say eba say ye call YouTube eba ya TikTok on friend don yi omo hu say kanika bibini ade anka ye positive no bibini be negative.
Okay.
There are very things that before I think say enye possible and they be ya dwen say wo ade we dey some kan dey o call social media and some na edi ho nkomo no obi for the positive way obi for the negative way e dey atema try comment because talk is cheap and nobody have anything to do with him. Say buy na nke ye war any system bia ya build say eba na nke system na kwa be yiwo free sukra and I did account free wa I think say we can be boa ma o man no e fa into pay efra over TikTok and you see we free be azigi we be
e na ma na nkomodie me pese me ni wudi ni ye pa because e trend penya asem ketwa e be si no bitimi ka se ni leak e ba bia 2025 2026 na da so e da ho ti enun create true quentin na me pese me ni wudi nhemu na ye di ho nkomo because me akra me ye hyehye me enye sema kwa ye bi bet say no mo keka se u be wie na won se bi da point no enti na me pese me busa se Ghana has say no ye be na TikTok no ye nya no Ghana has say bitimi ka say 2020 2019 2018 by me hu na ya say 2024 years 2023 ana me hu TikTok for Ghana enti say
by after COVID no
okay and you say 2021
by after COVID no bene wo hodada bene enye exposed to the Western world the COVID time here muna has here amanfo ehun TikTok bye.
Okay. Ma mimbusa we me ye in general but sene ye ka TikTok asem yi ho na se no leak ni free ben asem ketwa. Mebusa say TikTok de kra no ye de base ye mfa nye den. Ye fa ni atem. Ye ni yi ye ho nkyere mo.
On se make say abrofo create TikTok say mainly say bia fancy me wo Ghana ha. Na ye wo gold. Ye wo diamond. Ye wo mamre. Na pese showcase ema amanfo hu no international world. So the cohort and I'm saying you global intino obi a onim no betimi akohwe videos no because of Google na most na history obi wo ho na pictures and ya share history obi wo unpacking kind nti ye na as a video format obi betimi da kire se bia oba kumase wo hwimu ha ye wo Nyansapo studio ha omo kire amamre nti nipa ni frabo kire ba onim se odu wo hwim na akọ Nyansapo a and ye kire amamre ne amane na a positive way but ye no a friends ye mo Africa for no and you for the negative side of it say bia me so me and I'm say ye global antino me so me trend me ho am amanfo hu me be hu no ye hu in negative way which is really bad oko China untimi nwro ho na even cry no ade ba ko Ghana for nim say China no untimi mo president kra din say dey bo bia president
Mahama
China untimi nya bon say bia president Xi Jinping no
wow
untimi up to now population of China where Guangdong province omo nam 245 million population
wow
so China Ghana be 5 times only one province pe no but the way almost comport you ho the way almost di o mamre ene o mamane aye adwuma no ena aboaye ye ko fa western culture by yen ka asem we condemn obi culture
okay
we say your Christianity your Muslim your other traditional religion but ohwe yen kasa na yen de na ye amamre tradition no ya to atwene because you feel say en kwasi asem nti yen ni no shase tie enwum bi say yenananom sumabosum na yen nti who say started from the history of your brainwashing from Krabrem. And to you, that's what I come on recross and show up. So
I bosom Cassie is if you
were before. And now my neck, yeah, bre. A crown who's away a penny, and a penny who's away a cry. And that trend of insult is going on, which and you say, in see and to my thing, I want a bunting, but you see and to my in our bunting, which is really bad. Now, I heard that's in Tuasia. I don't blame anybody. Only them blame one more. Or maybe I want to tell you tree.
Okay.
I want to border. And now, so man decided to say, "Sir, deal with me here me crew, and I mean here me crew." So they can say YouTube do channel where any
Facebook, ni TikTok.
And there are some websites you are, and I'm saying you was cybersecurity expert for one, you know. So website now, it is our leaks ne banning now. And can you so bet me abandon where you crew ha and can you do crew here? Yes. But and I'm saying be a tune, you know. It is training going on. And I say your policy says be you won't cast a be and I be we are. Say get me banned from that social media platform forever.
Okay.
And can't me account to hobby. Say no why I see a YouTube account.
TikTok and crazy.
Good. Say ban can Ghana for so what the same policy like a G amount for account.
Yo.
Oh, say a TikTok for the banning.
YouTube so the idea be to one say a call against your more rules now. Omo make your account.
What's against Omo?
Yes.
Be yeni eti omo emu ha. Ye wo ya mamre ye adwuma say go against yeni a without even YouTube for na kwa be mu kra no.
Na ye di kan ye dada.
Abani ye dada. Nke be ma be account bi wo ha nke be gye fom nsam. Ti ko bi next time be ma nke be hwe de we obisa kasa. So na be ya let's young influence bi mu. Be you need that policy no. Ye ntwe ma YouTube for me gye account infini pa nsam. Ye ntwe ma TikTok for me gye account infini pa nsam. Nti ye akasa so mine no. The Ministry of Communication, the cybersecurity experts for no more no. What are they doing?
We are sure say our cybersecurity expert for Ghana see.
Well, the issue they say they are Ghanaians are butcher because say Thomas Mensa our here for about optic cable we Ghanaian.
Okay, but that's what you say.
Obi Ghana may so rest in peace. You won't kofobi wo ha o school wa butcher. Say na kasa say give it my Asante that setup no. Amaya nenko ye police of Silicon Valley or Ghana. Nenke what they say expecting that Ghana. Ghana for to control because they can't say say Asante kasa metiase and I think you be also free Ibrahim will be in Crani then could be out that language expertise now or can then can be your free would have control all the system. But the people who are leading the cybersecurity experts now, are they really experts? Not the question. Do they even qualify to call themselves internet security experts? Because I had to be a school and then take among for some year computer science. Okay, so they even computer man so even on formatic crown on ye.
Nim the oil cry.
Windows crown the oil.
Nim the oil.
Be a school or China no to qualify to even say be foul as a computer software engineer no. You must be very sharp. And after the first semester now, there are some friends a great be one year. They will call you, advise you say be a business course be here, and I compare any field be at least won't say be wow.
Na ni suya ya.
Oko school course wa ding e we ase pa software engineering. Oko hospital na doctor fa thermometer. Not the show moto ma. Also be a temperature be 35 degrees Celsius. E be a onya malaria, onya HIV. We the software engineers any programming your machine you know. And doctor ne far we read their cultural.
Say na mo di bi kika mo di bi hihye na mo bue hu.
There be according to that until before say obedwene e di kan adwatra.
Say time say mo ya bayfo.
That is how people call us. One for so computer wizards.
Yes.
That's what the Western even call us. There are certain things you be school no. Almost graduate here around 12:30 midnight.
Okay.
Now, Oko China, many of them know they believe in this Buddhism. Your 1,000 mountains of Buddha. We are corner free nipana to kasana nekasa, you know. There was no friends who maybe I assume or phone on the phone. It was through waves.
Yeah.
And at first not at the phone. It will be all face sent. Or the Nsuegu or Chini Pana Crabba. That was the same trend they are using to build phones. In the offer phone, now catch jobs will be a before. Now that means that you lack knowledge. Because anything waves in the friends are there for a new anything that you hardware. Offer phone where you some say the hardware.
Yeah.
Ultimate feeling. But yes, software engineers, any programming and normal for a new but it works. Yeah.
Hey.
There are certain things that people are not even aware of that. But about Africa, all these things we undermine them. Or maybe now develop is through computer engineering. And then America for America, no matter to bomb, they could Iran. Iran for bomb, no matter to they call America, they call different places altogether. Through the waves, through Omaya control all these things.
Okay.
But about Africa obi a computer expert bia no almost like for.
Yeah.
Because they don't know the use of it. And that's how the Western have programmers. And your dream ade bia e papa bia say born my Africans no. And ade born e papa my. We be so trained to say to me call social media no run home. The next day I share azigi na the whole Ghana. Who be a hwebi. Say oba ne be mada is it news?
They be
because and who ye be ade a ultimi no am for worry is legal. But say eba ye pe negative nti no obi dia pia bontin ntimi kohwe
na woni obi koda kura ko twae den
and it's another thing altogether. What I say if you go mu twakra na so call butchera your part in the park obi timi ne yere and now on the girlfriend no mfefio ma no so ewa bontin it's normal, it's common there
enya how so you am many amani enti na ma omudi na kwa ye huhu bi no dia omo yes ebi anka bochi na happen ebi anka omo mfa no huhu sesi no
porn your porn studio among for go there to shoot episode of porn now you can just go pay on the website and you watch all those things and my man will say like it's not anything special but now to be call obi DTBP now among for jai even the news among for BT now or the whole on the radio station the TV station radio it doesn't make sense altogether. Yen fire mamre nya adwuma Nyansapo nipa bia I think say was started you know with na mamre and then na money and intino even crowd busted you ha no maybe who also to be modi because baby out here no doesn't even permit you to talk about that profane things altogether. Na no too for na Appiah na ibo mukasa now be when no be a fire na the video the picture no that can sema ompe and sema hu hia our internet so yesu so no na say even cry so too for be cry to for ma na yesi efiri bi ebusuakru a ɛda no so yɛ kofa ba o ma me be chiwa hyedem because abranfo na eba no kra no because omuhu benne obitimi tra social media enam say ayefun nti no na ohye ba bi kofa phone bi a enu 10 cd bi na to data 1 cd na cancel 4 peso ka bia na okone ba bi din all those things you are hearing to us here you are trust am build the cybersecurity system very well ama no maybe why intimi and control there's some website bi wo a eye porn website a you say mo ya nyie free system ni mu a e be drum maybe no Ghana maybe a yekono we are going backwards.
Eti mamembu sa we munim say side way na mo adentina still na mo generate AI ya weekend.
Yeah.
Ene sa TikTok ya da mo yi free system ni mu mai.
AI no enye ade a omo create in a negative way. Omo ye AI nse bi won so bi wo a fancy be me dim birthday. Na me nti bi nko studio. Menya editor. I can put my picture my ask AI say okay fine. Birthday ya me ye e bi am me design flyer, poster. Na AI na design amount.
Eti adwempo a etachire no.
That is how it is.
Ana ye di timi yo bi say mo kua ne ase nanim.
Enti nipa no ade a AI na say nipa adwen. Enti say bia oh me pese me design African traditional wear. Enti bia AI design for me. Na AI na design akoko research and design amount.
Okay.
Enti ya ade na ke be ma those editing experts no.
Don't go mo adwuma.
No. Say fancy within quick time. Me person me prepare invoice.
Okay.
And my customer. Now mean to me nya will be over print mommy and now be ya mommy that at that moment no. AI can generate that thing for you.
Okay.
To make life very easy. And then your car is self-driving.
Okay.
Say be oh me too quiet, me do be name car driver. Now me do what car now I can just book the car, my location. The car will just drive me to wherever I'm going.
Utim.
Self-driving.
Wow.
It will take you to the place that you want to go. Safe, it do be a traffic war, a bit pepe. Then so it goes. Abrofone is thinking. But yeah, before no, always be we feel it's impossible. And at the money bands we are busy. No man no now. And now ba call YouTuber Abrofone Coco Melon. Amudisuya 1 2 3 and you more and can all those things. I'm a programming. But who be memory I could do what. But we say kwasia, we say abua, and it's really bad. The can say you per se Ministry of Communication. Omo invited Ghana for no we expert or the diaspora.
Tell me we say Chrome ha you will be what has a muso mo betimi na muni hey.
Oh, we say a channel for a person bedo channel no. Omo call for school around the whole world.
Okay.
And a buy no a policy to bring them back. Be I may J fancy $1,000 or America. No remember Ghana, name mama even cry on the same $1,000 of Ghana ha. I mean for full near and PC dear. Of course I'll come. Oh, you're massive cry. You have the packaging very well. And it's a me banana for full near and PC be a dear. At least I'll come home. I'll feel like home. I'll get time to see my family. But banana say
what's like one maybe a 5 what's 5 if you the 5 mommy
there is not even that policy over there. It didn't welcome the diasporans. What I say? Obi work now on already or can and worry. So be fee no be boa with that policies no. So if there's a system there oba obetimi abe fitting in I dey wonim dia be boa. People will love to come.
Okay.
Voluntarily without even asking for money. But yemu na e o honest see no ba who cares about you?
Oh yeah.
Dr. Thomas Mensah Ghana, with all his idea, or Ghana, without even establishing anything else, or by establishing the policies, or by EBB, I'm on to consider Ghana. But even the system, the government system, didn't even permit him to do it. In the year by holidays, a banner system one can within that be a 1 month time, you know. You were a friend say system be I could have devoted my time and fit in there to also work for the government, but there's no policy like that. Jamai na eba. Na ta kono bi akon baby.
Ye sha de bi me pese ene ye sua de ne ye ho aduru. Se say ye fan say me video liki aba abonten.
Yeah.
Me nim de liki ye me nkwa na me twa no me phone so. But ene obe hunu na we de akoto social media so Snapchat, Instagram baby a. Kwan ben so na eye cyber form betimi aboa ama ma tracking the panel na mami.
There's a system there, cyber for system or even the call central. I think say even crowd able odi bonia with your phone number, they could track you. Their system generated with friends like IPs. They can know say, oh, are they way free? ABI free of him and if we are on this location. There's a system there. It works. But the people, are they willing to devote their time to work on that? That's the problem. So everybody want more expertise. Within the BI of him, the cyber experts, this office we will have. As some see, you know where to walk to. So everybody say Accra and Kwana Okumasi and they see Okumasi ha. People on Accra to get all those information. Now trend their way. Okay. And there must be a lot of offices and there must be expertise. They could work faster on those things when they come like even before some crime you whom are there and can be like a year for because your memory is forbidden in our system. Until there should be more people working on those things.
Until your possible measures be able to track it.
Yes. Yeah, their system there.
Wow. And you should be say video number. Ma send ya ma. Wa send ya ma onua. Onua so send ya ma obi frɛ nka nipa ba ko phone so.
Yeah.
And also more possible measures be am betimi dey delete free nipa ne phone so. Because be am e ko frɛ nipa no hello delete video e ma me a obe blackmail him said e BC. More and also some ways be and so betimi delete free nkrofo phone so bra phone me ka mensa. Yes.
That also
who say me yem hyehyeme.
Ye wo e be say free be database.
And also ye den.
Country I say like hard drive. I train no megusui. I store no megusui. Every country be a know in database. Before say that jurisdiction now won't see no. So the China focus say my database my blockade that foreign neighbor no. Say Ghana for database before say no man call WhatsApp or within Ghana no. It has to pass through that database before it is being released to other places altogether. And say a system that build say be a normal way a core database ni so na delete. Yes.
I know a phone behind it me na say system be
share e ba na wuliki na e call all phones no. It have to pass through the database. And so na about all phones so.
Okay.
As be our own internet I want me that video no. The same thing our database say fast one so na call all phones so. And your system I put in place so no man send the call that database so can delete before and so na about all phones so cry.
Hey.
Yes, but I don't know why you ain't been build that kind of friends security experts now. All those things have to go to people before because by my phones I cannot go into privacy to delete from your phone so. And so my video or no privacy.
Okay.
And there's no law say maybe police in Ukraine chiwa. Not because for a phone man. You have a right to say so you cannot give the phone to him.
There will be boss.
No.
Oh yeah,
no, there's no law. So all the man say be all the money there. Oh now all the man. You have a right to go through, but all the man say be macho for me. I have a right to say so I won't give my phone to you.
Okay.
But all the money there or right to go through your phone.
Okay.
The one for man you have no right.
The man password so I can say more password memo.
Say I am shishing no. And then man you ensure anything no. Didn't say a free computer PC. It's called personal computer.
Okay.
The same thing applies to phone. A personal phone. Until your packet show ubutum. Police need sure you have no right to go through your phone.
Okay.
Because if a phone mommy, now the phone and money there, you have right because now they are money on your right. But for mommy, no farmer wa, not police in any ball, no Joe phone so you have right to sue him.
Wow.
Only call
Ghana has
yes. It's a world international.
Ghana had the
no, it works. The law works over there. You implemented that. And I ignorance say the insurance they be if you say oh Ghana had here say oh Jimmy phone now come phones wa businesses have videos here can say me me I video ni meaning na ni hu say na video no ye pe say ye hwe me ni ho a me hwe onso no ho onso hwe na say police no Jimmy phone na go hu say video no or me phones wa oh in video me privacy but me the phone ma there you can go through everything by my phone.
Privacy,
you have right to tell policeman say your phone is your private property, unless only court. Maybe my shell say for a phone, bra. Police didn't have. So police didn't show her. No look shema. I saw or Joe phone. I saw the two. Na court to say in fact phone emra or their man. Anything that police didn't be sure the money be any exhibitor or they be used against you. Until on no bet you no on say pay a friend say evidence and now pay no more or the be prosecute you. You don't have to give him the thing to prosecute you. And the police have no right to go through your phone, Abraham Famano. As I will invade your privacy. And to Ghana, we have to learn very well. And no matter social media is here, you know, there are things people doesn't even know. So in your time and in kitchen they will learn to know more. Now, meeting Sembi say among for a care about Skijako fi wasem. ABC oh your wedding. Oh yeah. ABC they say. I heard them who say Asante for say your wedding and pa need ni my day. In the so then yen nasem. They from the time of Nyankopon. Her time ye wedding machine ebe wiase da ben. Never time Skijako fi buy. Over that years now centuries. And it's a wedding machine bar just early this century. Now it's me yes you can fee early century. That means before someone journey they can and see the policy of and maybe about IT no I can want something you know. Never before suddenly the end of that. Many emphasis in the near Juma. And they be a dream born in my you you also have to capture on the negative aspect of it. We are there, Emma Bibini, ne papa, or more about that, and the video I came. Won't say, what exposing is going to be licky videos with you. And then Ubo says, how video we are here? Over maybe about 2,000 views. But you're buying a kid, dear Tama, in can 1 million views.
You pair additional, you pair negative side on Debia.
Maybe say, now me call me chrome. Now me could dear come on me chrome. We could draw me na no dime you pay. Okay. Me ma me emaba. Me wo for maba. No ma 10. Obi amaba. Na ingina wo da sa dime you no mo. No we are we fufu a enchance atwa ho nyina ahia. Ahia obi a gene die. We na se kwame na ni ho a obeka kire se ko fe kwame branch na bedidi.
Wono ma ye munni.
Wono ba wunni. Enti you hu se na wunni a hu se we minua. We ye me wo fa. We ye me nana. And to tell me on them piano, oh, Charlie, we cry, so we start visiting each other. But yes, we are before, yes, we are say, and people are dying out of all this thing because they are traumatized. Who are on your before out of Yentina, Ebia,
yeah, Bonnie Bay, yeah, for yeah, before.
Indeed, African, I say, you hear buying way to go, yeah, you hear buying a bar or be faster, I know, what shimu. Na masa no mara koso am no etimako because our mind bia or maybe any IT background bia no
yeah mobo
it can never even develop. Wow. How do you develop? People are using IT to do a lot of things. They are using to build planes, the air cars, the AIs, the microphones, the cameras, the lights. Yeah, to yes, yeah, we don't want to even adjust to the same system. How can you build your nation?
And my member way, IT, yeah, Ghana for young fire, you know, Cosuintina, you who a quenchia be or Ghana Hanana. Because I'm not the yes, accident TBS in Kanquem, easy, yeah. But you heard China, I mean, to say, China, Kabiako, Crashia accident TBS, but Ghana had the IT na yen focus on another Sanya Manabana because they say IT.
It's not basically about the IT. The thing is, also offer car, now a driver, your 2 driving mirrors. I just say, okay, both sides. And now you wore a friend says screen now. Yeah. At least who say this is what you are heading towards, or the call him. And you wore lighter, and now you wore a friend say your mirror, and so chi out of your chi. Obi all chicano. The phone tanaso and driving any friends and phone calls no it boy it me frail fee now we must show we must show why it can cause problems abuchi adeba ko China for emo mo nya accident ni say oko club your parking space okay you can drive your car abra ngo no mo sa no akọ club ho but who pf club ho o my year a friend said drivers our use motorbikes our more club na nimu nyina okay and when on side rebia then you hire a driver no the motor na to no kanachi no odoku fi okay anya sa na utu car odu heya no your police for ho dey be as a balloon udu wa na mo police ni behu ana say me ni
driver ni na o twika behu
Who na say akọ kakra wo ma?
Ombetima hwe.
1 year jail straight. Ono kwa de yemfa kokko.
Belu no betima dictate say alcohol.
Alcohol. Kakra bi cry be hu say be dictate say be wo so
Hey.
You go to 1 year jail, don't even go to court. Straight policy. Into wo kono mo sana wo free ba ho ba no. A ono mo sana no. Isa e create another employment. Driver ni na wan call adwuma that night na another day no. Ojina ho. You can book him online.
Okay.
You book him here. No the call fee. No after the motor number back to the place. The system is working 24 hours.
Okay.
Enter ma hu accident no.
Tenye be ye bia na ye ne bi boni bi ni aye no ha sei because me am dwene ho star say Ghana de ye hwe ye kwan bi kura so ende da bia won say yes moje hwiegu ho nti yesua de na ye hwa de bi o me title say omo a se be mu use iPhone no won iCloud o password niema ni nti no ye say oh such videos say de egugu di pedi ma se ni bi oso na say koto abonten a Ubo say and the video we aba. Ade ba chi the same person go video ni ma was a different video. Ubo say ni person me nya video bia minim ni pakra o liki. Eno nso no de be na etaye chire obi na operate iPhone no because of the iCloud ni nyama na se me nkoto me iPhone ntu ba bia makoto atwena ko pay ya we use.
Amam phone nim phone use. Onim. Se wo twa video se be phone we. Se me twa video ana me twa picture e be call photos.
Okay.
Straight. The call photos were fancy bi wa me ne me dof bi and madam fu bi me so iPhone 17. We draw us phone your camera near phone. Me fan twa video bi e.
Twa bi.
No dey twa. We are no a call phone so. Na a call a friend Asanteman on the phone.
Okay.
Or call no who that videos na or best that on the phone so straight. And the videos na you try na private you know. Bruni aye IT say me call.
Pacho what the check camera ne mama ya yesua na nko
omahu. Say oko photos no say pe area.
Pacho say bibia ni so ai e be mai.
So oko photos no say care ahom. Na oko sa videos na.
Okay.
Let's say me come videos. And say me come videos are. And normal e wo videos me pese obi abe hu no. Fancy say me video we ya.
Okay.
Me click so we ya. Na makosa dot ne
dot nyansa na wo
ha no ma ko me kosa dot no so a na you be e wo ho a e friend say e friend hide na me miasa hide no
okay
me miasa hide na sa video na me wo no e free photo no so no akosa hide ho no sa hide ho no say who ni me password anabia me facial here me de me phone ma wa sa video unhu
by say no obi na operate enye nkrofo na operate sa system sa password ne iCloud enye nkrofo na operate
obi ntimi nko omo they send through their phones the people send any girlfriends bia fancy bia me girlfriends me enu ensa na me other girlfriend aba no wa me phone no go through my videos and I'm say woni na ho bia wo refining no or go through video who you can send to your own phone
yeah they share iCloud here use you
iCloud no untimi hacke iPhone so mo straight database obi iCloud anything that's even cloud we could we have my phone iPhone 17 ha the only time with my yin so with my only screen no
okay
won't even call me iCloud and whatever people are just putting their mindset there it's not there okay yeah near ho and they send them my home because when you already fee say obi ha like girlfriend no almost want to about frakoda or video or Asanteman who we are can not to ada oni be jai out of bitterness obeliki
that the question say you network operators
nobody goes to anybody iCloud unless you know my password iPhone will never allow you to go into somebody's iCloud unless you know somebody's password and I say obi o ho a ukoye your phone e wo dum now say okay and if our iCloud password man na me in free so those people too can also be another threat. But so to get or hack into my iCloud system, no, unless we have to delete me be a free system.
Okay, just say ya what hiding or no? Uko normal photos are
so call normal photos are ubi kra na hwe. Unless you go to that hide and enter your facial or your password before you can have that video.
Now in the situation whereby what delete here free ho. Now what's I call recently deleted. What could delete here free no still na no e kaso and I kokra.
Hey.
Most
times they know about your iCloud. Who say there are things that, and I'm saying primitive, people will think about, oh, hacking into me, iCloud. If somebody want to hack into your iCloud, for me to an internet security expert, I'm a hacker. Me hacking system, I will hack into Ghana Commercial Bank. Hacker be anywhere or school or ye renowned hacker or also hack into iCloud, copy videos.
Say no better me black will share you present idea about those
things are not ne offer be ne ex-girlfriend be
and those now for
see all those things go through friends until this is nipa just samai. All these things go through friends because me say me to how do you even know my iCloud password? I don't know that. Until there are people within and their security, but they will just shift the attention. So, or call the iCloud. So, iCloud now can 171. Before you can go into my iCloud, you need my email. You need my password.
Okay.
How do you even get to know my email or my password? And there are a lot of things that's involved, and yet people hacking to people iCloud password database.
Aside iPhone, or say with different phones, Samsung, Techno, ne other phones. Almost what anything to say iPhone one almost to me the protected or more privacy ni biana. And also I find IT for mobile yes.
No, over 100 phones now. Say Apple phones no. More tight security. Inter people like to use iPhones.
Okay.
More tight security stuff, sir. They protect over 100 phones now. Yeah, na and so tight comparing to those Apple ones no.
Okay.
Yeah, but they still also have their own thing to protect themselves. Almost set also another password. There are even more softwares without even the phone. A friend say hiding stuff. No, one other software.
Wait, my children, no. Mum kanu ema ye.
Oh, on the same day you'll be hiding, so I cannot just. Oh, say I don't know. Yeah, will be privacy. You don't invade on those things. Okay. But search here, you see, there are some things. There are some apps you can use it even to protect your videos. That people getting into it.
Okay. Yeah, share debut. You say you share your network operators. They say Telecel, MTN, Airtel. No, you say you must say my call. My friend will be using MTN. They are free. Be the communication. The mind of phone so send day yeah almost to me intersect warm hall and also no crebe in the womb.
Also, you didn't come catch you say before so send a video. I come over, your database.
Yeah.
You have to pass through that database before I call any panel phone. So, and then now, so we have phone call now. Before you transfer call and call the other partner phone, so no, you have to pass through the MTN database. Until more fair, almost this call is being recorded.
Yes.
What I say? Until Adebia obey Kasa Afa or phone to be an more database. I have to pass through that database.
Send you safe.
No. I don't know. Because your country protection, sir. Say, Udi Bonia, police for, and now court, and the share, sir, a friend said, telephone, say, among fasa, or voice, no mra.
Okay.
Ada, on that, no say, police ni, echo far, and now say, MTN ni, echo far, voice, elikini mobia. You can sue you. Yes. Okay. Because, and you're right to go there. But say, be Bonnie be a kubi.
You track on conversation.
Yes, we go to telecos to get that kind of information.
And a conversation in Kwana say videos so to say videos you make you be kunu wabuchire. One no debut or yes idea and
no that promise is allowed.
And yeah, Usia mwana musro no ya clear.
Oh no, one day it doesn't go through.
Because we so mujai MTN telesales.
No, it doesn't go to that telecos it doesn't go. A voice and a recording. Videos go WhatsApp. On one database, TikTok on database, and now all those your friends apps now be on one database.
Okay.
And to what belongs to my friends say WhatsApp no is basically on WhatsApp database. Facebook for my database, TikTok for my database. It doesn't conflict. It will be an there. And now I'm going to record your video. Unless you send.
Oh, okay. And see, video sending the chair, me sending a backward Obi ntimi nya access to.
No. Okay. And obi also fancy was scanning the girlfriend. Was scanning the WhatsApp. See, be my girlfriend in here. I can scan the person WhatsApp.
I don't know. Charge the phone and answer what me operate to our phone.
The phone to be how or just so me share your phone so. No was scanning your code your WhatsApp or.
Okay.
out me log in through computer. It's that code no, best scan am on the computer no.
Okay.
And the other phone.
La me say phone me phone kutara no betima ye.
Yes, phone kutara.
But me phone kutara no intim.
Untimenye.
Ye ne bia twatro.
Yeah. So phone kutara because you have to scan that barcode no. Our phone so. And so on nyasa access no, but phone kutara untimenye.
Wow.
No, untimenye.
Wow. Ye be see for my saba me pese me busa de we. De be nkra na beba. Ebema obabunu me ametuwe. Say me send me nakedness. E de ama obi amene ni date. Vice versa wo so send we de am. De be mpa na beba.
Oh, I don't know can you bonnet in other ways. Say there's how obia drinfa. When I say bia your distance relationship. And I say distance is not a barrier when it comes to relationship. Bia on any crew no wabuchi. Ni crew no a friend say on say no. And dofo no. Omu na omu ji omu hudi. Na ebia enam so omu nya time enhia ana distance no one intino. Eba say a friend say oh once say bia ofina obetim dia bibia. Enka na good intentions for both of them. Say bia at least omu no kra no. Obaku chiti on ho ne hwan intino. He keep that thing say bia on new kra na obetim ahwe ne yere.
Who proud who? What's one I go head here we are.
Say the mind behind that no wasn't the bad way.
Okay.
But a bit leak, and the mama na a bad way because nenke mumi no man temasem. But nipa no kohwe na abontin and third party na be mu no. Na man be ye bone.
Nke boni nim.
Nke boni nim bet.
Me twa me ho ama wo no.
Oh some because bia. Me yere no. Tio me yere no. And na o sende o ade ade bia yehu dada. But o nim nchen. Me won nchen wa bochi o Ghana ha. But e bia me fro no time difference me nya o. Na ma feel. Met ma hwe me yere. So be at least to certify yourself. Your intention wasn't bad, but going outside for third party man be bad.
Okay.
What I say? This ke mummi no kwa ho na ka ko hu a na ke problem. But obi na wa bontina onye oku no ko hwe ye no e na ye problem. Onye oku no.
Yeah.
And the man ye bad no say ama o kan de o come to us say ene uti ene he's once your lover, tomorrow he becomes your enemy. Only tena ho wie no.
Bibia timi si.
And to win in here, don't do that. Those things are based on trust. The nipa win in no, don't try those things with him. Obi wo ha, ono no nipa na ono wo de command no. Or image to protect says asem babon tin. Na so ono ye liki ye kra na.
Obe defend it, obe.
Obe defend it, obe ferry. Ama ne magu ase. Let's say bia me titire ni Ghana ha.
Yeah.
And me send a video abreme. Send the party no. Say okuleki video na or there might be a trouble thing.
Yeah.
Ni party say ebia me a minister and I'm akuleki me video how people see me.
Yeah.
How people think about me. Me lusu medjuma, me go me na for my family. And there are such kind of class of people before you send to them no. You have to know who the person is.
Yeah.
Even when there is no relationship. Can he do that? But if say any ordinary guy be no have nothing to lose. You see, he who is down fear no fall.
Yeah.
The commander
make a cry or we chroma cry you bia to say yes.
It comes with different altogether.
Wow. And say no yesi for man sa we are santini wakọ wonim de wo sa niam we hu nyina no. De na ye expecting free ho, de na ye hwe ni mu free ho. As time goes on no ye pese say no ye hia wo pa krofo e social media ni gu ehu fi.
Na they can make yes say o dey far beyond government in Tonchen.
Okay.
My Asante akasa my Asante.
Ye kan ye di.
Na ka ye percent ke bibi say ye na naught kokoso. Otum for me share.
Piao.
Na piao. There should be something established about IT ewo mensha to bring in more Asante for no more the diasporans no more nim die no.
Okay.
Na yeso even with that say your organ physically no we can provide IT support.
Okay.
For Asanteman. BBC Asanteman mu hani ni akra na and I'm say your database no until we can call upon us.
Okay.
And rely on us to at least defend the that kind of thing within a short time.
Okay.
And see, people say there should be a more team coming up with some policy be allow those IT people within the Asante Empire no,
okay,
to help protect dementia. Send your name dementia, it's showing that name dementia. Because Asante on mine. Yeah, coming up with some database, some policies.
Okay.
We are all willing to come and support. Okay. And here be wherever we are, or fair no power, you.
To say the
we work on that too.
Wow.
Let's say first now they think crano. Oko now country in Yamana. Oh, we crossing you. No free
Kumasi. Guy.
No free Kumasi ne. Almost person almost do mama mre and mama near a year juma.
So almost to found to
oh efe I'm from ra. Now no man.
I'm found to you. Yeah, the move for.
Enti bibia at least say I'm for free. Asante for her. Esa I'm for free menshia.
Okay.
And say even so man crant me nya and nanom yesrem. Yenye. Na ye almost free ho. So then I'm for free ho. And we are willing to come in and support that.
Okay. Yeah. Wait a minute, me person would do advice come my youth, no. Yen like use social media no in the bad way because the one the good side and the bad side no. See advice be na be my na wo nche bia de be chia wadofo mo a o ma gibre hwe Nyansapo TV a na wacha na ya sori so.
Unse you can say you say mre ye ninka so. And na ye youth no ne no you say youth. Be papa mo no mu ye no mu tsenye mo no mu ni be papa and na ade bia be bia o social media no e say it never friend social media no entwam be bia be too ni forget and yeah ade chere ba na until whatever we are doing if fan shit trim say e china e sabe ba be kai
okay
na hu say tembia so we have to build the dignity that we reserve as a human being.
Okay,
nobody was born to be a president,
but
as times went on no who say okay fine I have to keep myself like this and that to become a president. Until maybe one say who here entwe who free home. And social media na who say no it's a crew a nation. One where you come. Yes.
Compound house for them.
Yes, one where you come. The time be who say baby I did group be very careful. Because dey be da ho ne bia no it will still remain till you die.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uni nche bia de be chia wado.
Mechia be chrome for.
Okay.
Mechia chrome hima and empanyfo chrome ho. Okay. Say matese say o ma ha say person mutu galam say.
Oh no, eh.
Oh do me abra. And whatever we are thinking say yes remo. Skana nya bi mo enyam so. To mu nya mayansa. Na mam no mo nsu ne ho na. So mo sensu na. Mo sensu ne ma is da bia abegu yeso. Em fensu em farbo chiremra.
Okay.
Mining enye bone bet how I be ye galamsey na sensu ase o man e bone nti esrem panyimfo so mfom na nsi fom na sa galamsey na ekoso e odomi abrahafo no no aba no afa na aba o ma wie kunsu ho nti abeduma omo tiba ho yes ina na otumfo se omfa na nsi fom ene panyimfo omo di omo ka ebam no omo hwe se sa ho no de ye mpemo mo nye galamsey sisi ansa omo ntwe benye skansa na ntitim sisi edan bi ansa
na wanchia no wanchia no
mechia de okos menim pakro
ene ye fancy ma he na mo nya asem
mechia Kevin ana mechia Nyansapo CEO Mr. Appiah mechia no mechia menshia police ana mechia krum hima ana mechia mpanyfo krum hina do mi abra
ya be ka do kra chero I was here for Minister Louis and I just had ye kan no mecha and just me kwa China hobby and ene de ne ye no etwetwe enkomo ha Nyansapo TV meso se ne di kan ya second we fidikesi so abodoma so na subscribe channel no fa comment e fa ase de e che wa adwi bia no betima twe no ho Sir Louis beba ohun no aba be kire wo bibia wonti ase no obeba comment section ase no ne wa be di nkomo se ne number kwa no de beto ha ma ha de ma ne mo ne number no ko no ho e fe dodo anka sa wonwie no nkrofo ai be ko ni die no be ye dey adwade mi di da se de be hia bye bye
adenti ne ebube ne brebe ze se ebube ebe ye de den
kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadore sra tanyini wontena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam be hin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makodi ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo nim hu
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo okra wo nye ye bi
tontonte ye no nsa na ye fa
Nyansapo
abone ntakra na mane ye kese na ntakra abone die fanyinam kwatere kwa
wada woro ma ntoma ye fe ni din de sei
ni din de Obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
Sefam ne honhon hia na America sa
sebe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame
Sebedi akone be kwen bodi atwede na se kofi nro ne ya aben ntime nyina ni mu ampata na wo yade ya